Today in 3ds Max, we're going to see how to create a very simple auto key animations within 3ds Max for like moving objects here and there. And this is very simple, quick and easy. And this can help you to do some really small little things. But remember, this is not the complete capabilities of 3ds Max. You can do really cool stuff. And yeah, let's see how to get this one done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this and I'm going to create a new file. And then you can choose a view that you wanted using the viewport toggle function. You can go into the view that you wanted. So I'm going to keep it to perspective, and so you can choose any primitives of your choice. So for this one, I'm going to say I'm going to choose a sphere, and you can choose W to end the command and go to selection tool. So now all you have to do is click on auto key. And once you click on auto key, you can see the timeline gets highlighted. And so you can choose right now, generally starts with 0. So you can choose, let's say 5. You can move to a location. And then you can go to move the timeline. And then move the object. Move. And then move. And then you can also change to different views as well, to work on different views. Then move. Okay, and you can also change viewport anytime that you want it. You can move timeline, and you can use it to scale selected objects. Okay, so you can do anything that you want to do with that, lot of little things that you can play around with that. And once you're happy with all these changes, and you can actually play, and you can see the object starts animating here. So this is like a very simple thing to get us started with doing some basic object animations, and later we will actually go through more advanced stuff. And yeah, so if you like my video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep doing some of these things. Thank you so much, guys, and cheers.